3, 2, 1.
What do you call the container where pasta is boiled in water? The answer is A. Mixer. Which Star Trek series premiered in 1966? The answer is A. Star Trek Enterprise. What is the chemical name of common baking soda? The answer is B. Sodium bicarbonate. Who was the Greek goddess of wisdom, daughter of Zeus and Medes? The answer is A. Athena. Which company owns LinkedIn? The answer is A. Microsoft. What word describes starting and stopping at intervals? The answer is B. Intermittent. What vegetable is often used in Chinese stir-fry dishes? The answer is A. Broccoli. Whatever Lola Wants is performed by the sultry Lola trying to tempt the faithful husband in which Bob Fosse show? The answer is C. Damn Yankees. What is the name of the planet in Futurama? The answer is D. Omicron Persei 8. What year did the sensational movie A League of Their Own first hit the movie theaters? The answer is A. 1992. Which country is associated with the drink aguardiente? The answer is C. Colombia. Which of these countries is the leading producer of apples in the world? The answer is B. China. In what type of mining must tunnels be blasted into the rock so that miners and equipment can get to the ore? The answer is D. Underground mining. Some processes that shape Earth's surface are slow, other processes are rapid. Which statement describes a rapid change? The answer is C. Earthquakes move land and rocks. What is the name for the transfer of thermal energy between particles of matter that are touching? The answer is A. Conduction. A skeleton that consists of hard, mineralized structures located within the soft tissue of organisms is called what? The answer is B. Endoskeleton. If two chlorine atoms share their unpaired electrons by making a covalent bond and forming Cl2, they can each complete their what? The answer is B. Valence shell. What actor played the role of Detective Rizzo from 1974 to 1977 on U.S. detective TV series Kojak? The answer is A. Vince Conti. Which furniture has drawers? The answer is B. Cabinet. What is the longest-running sitcom in TV history? The answer is A. The Simpsons. What was the very last song played on American Bandstand? The answer is D. Shattered Glass. Laura Branigan. What is the novel about a young girl's journey through dystopia title? The answer is A. Brave New World. Who holds the record for longest hair on a living person? The answer is A. Xi Jinping. Which layer of the atmosphere does most of Earth's weather occur? The answer is A. Troposphere. Chlorine is a nonmetal and gains 1 electron in becoming a what? The answer is D. Anion. Which gas is produced during photosynthesis by plants? The answer is A. Oxygen. What is the meaning of the phrase ropa vieja, which denotes a traditional dish very popular in Cuba? The answer is C. Old clothes. What was the first name of Superintendent Schneider, a character on the hit show One Day at a Time, played by Pat Harrington? The answer is C. Dwayne. 10 grams of sugar is dissolved in 100 grams G of water. How many grams is the sugar in water solution? The answer is C. 110 G. Which of the following numbers has the most factors? The answer is A. 1. What Black Sabbath member's right hand was damaged as a result of an industrial accident? The answer is C. Tony Iommi. Augusta is the capital of which state? The answer is C. Maine. How do we call a person who takes on a new identity in order to deceive? The answer is C. Imposter. Which process is taking place when water freezes between cracks in rocks? The answer is B. Weathering. What is the value of E. Euler's number to the nearest whole number? The answer is C. E. Who is known as the father of modern management theory? The answer is A. Adam Smith. What is the area of a circle with radius 5 units? The answer is D. 3.14 square units. What's a backpack used for carrying books called? The answer is C. Case. Which of these items helps you organize your cables and wires? The answer is C. Drawer organizer. Which form of transportation has zero emissions? The answer is D. Pedal bikes. What is the name of Andy's jock boyfriend in the movie The Goonies? The answer is C. Troy. Heat energy from the sun is transferred to Earth primarily by which of the following processes? The answer is D. Radiation. Who is the creator of Dragon Ball Z? The answer is C. Akira Toriyama. The Doctor in Doctor Who regenerates when he dies. Into what number is this first introduced? The answer is C. Third. Which style of architecture is characterized by heavy use of columns and domes? The answer is A. Gothic. What is created when the warm air at the cold front rises and creates a low-pressure cell, causing winds to rush into the low pressure? The answer is C. Rising air column. An eagle is a bird that reproduces by laying its eggs in a dry nest. Which animal lays its eggs in a place most similar to the eagle? The answer is D. Reptile. Which of the three tenors is Amanda's uncle in the TV sitcom Ugly Betty according to her own words? The answer is D. The thin one. What material is a table tennis ball made of?
The answer is B. Leather.
Rolex is a company that specializes in what type of product?